I know I see it with my students, and I just experienced it for myself last night. I decided to be a student and go to a class. It was a flow and meditation class, and it was wonderful. But, we were stepping through from a sun salutation, taking crescent lunge, doing twist, doing all the fun things, and my balance was so unsteady. And we need steadiness and ease when we're building our asana practice. And there's several things that can get in the way. Our stress levels can get in the way. A lack of focus can be in the way. If we're wobbling with our balance, it could even be the lighting. That's what was happening with me. We had been facing one direction and I was at the wall, and it was just the way the lighting and the shadows were. It was making me feel just slightly dizzy. So if anyone has an island like this in their kitchen, I'm going to show you how you can practice, some of these crescent lunges at home, where you don't have to be as concerned about balance, and you can focus on steadiness and ease, and you can try to build up a graceful flow. So you can have one side of your body, connected to the island, and you're going to station down on that foot. And just for fun, we're going to lift the outer knee up, and as we exhale, we're going to carry it back. Now you can also include your arm, lifting it up on the inhale and stepping it back, lowering the arm on the exhale. And coordinating this, of course, with your breath. Two more. That Ujjayi breath is nice because you can listen and follow its sound. Now when you step back this time, just kind of glide your forearm back, and you're just propping yourself up on the counter. Look down at your front foot, line up the knee so it's right over the ankle, not surpassing it, so the shin's perpendicular to the floor. Now stabilize the knee by pressing down through the mound of the big toe and the inner heel, and also ensure that you're pressing down equally through the outer edge of the foot as well. The kneecap should actually be pointed towards the second and third toes. We're externally rotating that thigh. And because we're on the ball of the back foot, the heel is off the floor, and we're feeling a pretty tremendous stretch here at the frontal side of the hip. You may feel it down through the quads as well. So we're going to add in a little flow here. We're going to have the shoulders somewhat relaxed, the back of the hand facing forward. And as we inhale, we're going to lift more to the back toes, gliding the hand up in an easeful manner. And then as you exhale, sink back through the heel and lightly lower the arm. And then start to synchronize it with your breath. We can do a little bit more here by turning the palm to face the body, so that as you inhale, when that arm lifts, as you exhale, you can take the head back and bring the hand to half namaste at the heart. Inhale, arm up, chin parallel, and exhale, release. And you can continue that. Continue the flow. One more. This time, stabilize again. The front foot, submitting it down to the floor. Ignite the back of the thigh, your hamstrings. Kind of squeeze the right hip in towards your center, rolling the left hip forward. And then you'll take both hands to hold the counter, and you're going to rotate your belly and chest in that direction. And then slip the shoulders down away from the ears. And then if you want to take it forward, slowly straighten out that back arm. And keep your torso aligned over your front thigh. Instead of leaning into the surface, you're still kind of tucking and squeezing the right hip towards you. Crown of the head reaching the same direction as that front knee. Inhale, slowly build up. Exhale, unwind. And then slowly step it through. Then we can turn into the other side. Limbs that are closest to the counter, you're going to ground that foot. And when you're ready, inhale, lifting the arm and the knee. Exhale, taking the foot back, coming into that crescent lunge. Lifting up on the inhale. Stepping it back, relaxing the arm on the exhale. Now we'll relax the shoulder, back of the hand facing forward. That forearm can slide back closer to you. Use it for helpful with your balance. Balance and breathe. You can always lift up higher. And exhale, sink lower. Easeful, graceful movement. Turning the palm towards you. Inhale, arm up. Exhale, head and heart back. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release. Continue that flow. One more. And we'll stabilize the lower body. Take both hands to the counter. Twist to face it. Slip the shoulders down away from the ears. Lift up through the crown of the head. Maybe taking one arm back, leaning forward. Keeping the neck in line with the wrist of the vertebrae. Squeezing the left hip towards you. Magnifying your breath. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, unwind. And then step through. And we're going to face the countertop. Step the feet back. Hip distance apart. We're going to take the elbows to rest here. Palms together. And You're stepping the ankles back underneath your seat. It's okay if you need to move a little furniture out of the way, but you may have enough space. The third eye may want to rest at the edge of the counter. Make sure you're not pushing down through your ribs, rather you're lifting through your lower ribs. Belly suctioning in. And slowly travel the feet forward. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration on how you can incorporate some crescent lunges into your kitchen. Continue to sprinkle yoga and meditation throughout your days to live a happier and healthier life.